The VSE Transform Tools add-on has been updated. In this video, I'll show you some of the new things you can do. Before the update, if you wanted to add transform modifiers, you had to first select the strips in the sequencer, then press T. Now you can select any visible strip in the preview window and either press T or simply begin grabbing, scaling, rotating, or cropping, and transform modifiers will be added automatically. The auto crop function is completely new. It collapses the scene resolution to fit the visible content in the preview window. The primary difference between the old and the new crop tools is that strips can now be cropped in place, which seems a little more intuitive than how it was before, where a strip's scale and position would change during the crop. Cropping also used to be limited to images and movies, but now has been extended to all strip types, including metastrips. Automatic keyframing can now be enabled by enabling the Automatic Keyframing button at the bottom of the timeline editor. Also added were the ability to delete and duplicate. These functions work not just on the selected strip, but will act recursively on the inputs of the selected strip. This gives these functions a very similar feel to duplicating and deleting objects in the 3D view. The grab function now has a nice feature where you can hold down the control key while moving, and if you get too close to the edge of something else, the strip will snap in place. This same feature is present while scaling as well. If you change the preview window's pivot type to 2D, you can set the pivot cursor using the left mouse button. You can snap the position of the cursor to the nearest corner or midpoint by holding Control and clicking with the left mouse button. If you'd like to download the add-on, you can look for the link to the GitHub page in the description. If you find bugs or you think of some ways to make the add-on better, feel free to leave a comment.